Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some items that BlindsMagic did send to me to do a review on. I'm doing an unboxing and we're going to actually show you how to install them and how they look. So these are motorized smart blinds. These ones for our Alexa. They're smart blinds. You can use them with a remote control. You can use them with an app. You can use them with your voice. All kinds of cool stuff. This is how they came packaged for me. Got them with them 5 to 7 business days. They came just like this here. They're packaged, double packaged, the box, and also wrapped inside as well. We're going to unbox these. I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm going to show you how to install them and how to use them. So I want to thank them so much for sending me these items. Definitely a nice product. There'll be a link down below for the actual product link you can click on and check out the store yourself. Let's take a look at their website together. I'm going to show you the process behind it and give you a quick idea how I did this. Let's continue.
Before we get into opening up the box and taking a look at everything, and I want to show you this site. It's called BlindsMagic. It's a really smart site, very easy to order. I did everything very easily, very quickly. It was no complications whatsoever. You kind of look at what you're looking for, either roller shades, zebra shades, sheer shades, cellular shades. You can pick the shades that you want. They have also different accessories available as well. They have extra remote controls. They have solar panels you can add to constantly charge it. They have battery packs to charge them. So we'll get into all of that, but I just want to show you the site, very easy to use. So let's say, for instance, you want to order some zebra shades, which I did order. I received them. You pick the shades you want. You want smart motorized zebra, which one 65% blackout or 80% blackout. You pick what you want. And then it goes from there. Pretty much the 3 colors that are available: white, gray, or gray storm. You can see the options. You can see the different colors that are available. You do your measurements, exactly how big your window is, okay? And the fractions, everything's really pretty easy. The height, you get your height of your window, again, with the height and the fractions of that height. Then you want to select your motor. You can get a standard remote. You can get an Alexa, HomeKit, Zigbee, Matter Smart. So different motors or different actually software that you can use to actually control these motors or these shades. You can have them come up automatically during the day, close at night. Really kind of cool. Also a standard roller or reverse roller, depending on how you want that to roll down, left or right. That's where you want your motor to where you want to plug it in. You can see on the left, you can see the left, this shows you that's where you plug your motor in. They plug in the power to recharge the batteries, or the right side. Again, exposed roll you want, so you can have a cover. There's so many different things you can do here. You know, really customize them, really good. 6-channel remote, 16-channel remote, so many cool things with solar panel, without the solar panel. Then you can custom label it exactly what you want and where it's gonna go. And you just add it, and it's just that simple. Okay, so the site's super easy. There'll be a link down below in the description. Go ahead and click on that. Also, it is available on Amazon. The company did send me these shades just to show you, give you an idea what they look like. So just to let you know, I do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase them on Amazon. Just to be fair and transparent, does cost you nothing. Just to be clear and transparent. Okay, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna get into unboxing it, take a look at it. Then we're gonna install them in my sunroom. We're gonna show you how to do that as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. I really appreciate your time as always watching my videos, and hope you learned something as well. All right, let's get to it.
Okay guys, so here it is. I opened up actually one of the blinds. I just want to show you how they come packaged. Packaged very well. Like I showed you before in the other video. Comes in a cardboard box. There's one in here. Here is the other one I took out of the box. I want to show you how they come packaged. So this bag here was inside here. This almost like a blown cushion wrapped around the whole blind. So this was in the blind, and this was on top around the blind and the box. So really highly protected. These came perfect with no damage at all. You can see how it looks. Really nice quality, built really well. I just want to show you all around. This is the fabric that I chose. You can see the fabric, really kind of nice. I like this. Is cream. That's what they're calling this color, cream, just so you know. And this is the encasement. This is the outside. I have like a cream on the outside. So I just want to show you that. Also, it comes with the brackets. Heavy-duty brackets are included in here. You have to use the brackets, instruction manual, and a remote control. That was in the first box. Just want to show you how it comes, just like this. Gives you an idea how to use the blinds. They already should be paired already to the blinds, and also comes with batteries. That's cool. So remote control, mounting brackets, blinds. This is inside this case here. Otherwise, it was protected with this and then wrapped with this inside a box. So you can't get better than that. That's really good protection. Also, I want to show you the brackets here. These are really nice quality brackets. There's 4 brackets in each box. I'd imagine this, but this one is actually for the second one, and this is for the first one. So 4 brackets to adjust. It's a big, long run, so you need a lot of brackets. Comes with 4 brackets and 4 set of screws and also anchors. I recommend definitely using these into some wood if you can find out where the wood is. If not, make sure the anchors are in really tight. So this is what comes in. There's a 4 heavy duty. You can see these are heavy duty hooks to hook them on. See, they latch right on. Super easy. It's got a little spring right here. You can see and just spring loaded. You just catch in the bottom, spring it on, boom, and that's how you install them. They're pretty easy to install once you got these brackets all hooked up. Good to go. Just snap them right in, and that's all you have to do. Really easy. Just wanted to show you. Each one of these has 4 for this one and 4 for that one. And that's what I wanted to show you. So far, so good. We're going to start mounting one of these, and we're going to take a look at it and see how it performs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your time. Let's continue. I actually put a couple brackets up. I'm going to put a bracket right above here, right above this section right here. I'm going to put one in the middle. I'm going to put 3 in this window. I think 3 should be okay. I'm going to put at the end. Should be a stud right there. Should be no problem. They hit a stud. That's not going anywhere. That definitely hit a stud. Yeah, that's nice and strong right here. And there may or may not be a stud here, but that shouldn't make a difference because the ends have the studs. This is just more like support at this point. And we'll just... That's not going anywhere. Then we'll put one more at the end. That's not going anywhere. You can see that's really installed really well. All right, let's click this up and see how it looks. Hey gang, so listen, I just hung it up and I'm absolutely, totally impressed of the quality of this blind. It looks really awesome and I love the zebra look. So here's the remote, comes with the remote. We're gonna set up with the Alexa later. We'll set that up in a few minutes. I have to figure that all out. But let's just see. So down is, it goes down. You can see how it goes down. And the zebra pattern, so you can kind of stop it where you want. Just hit the center and that stops it and continue going down. And it's just, if you want that zebra there, you want a little more privacy, a little less privacy, you can see you have total privacy like that. Or you can just do a zebra pattern and have a little bit more light. There's a 50, 67% light, 70% roughly, whatever it is. It's absolutely beautiful. I am absolutely shocked. It looks really nice. It was easy to install, like I showed you. The 3 brackets, I don't think you need 4. The big window, I might need, I'll put a 4 on. Here's the other window. This is what it was like before. That one I probably put 4 on, but this one here, 3 is fine. And you can just see, here is the remote comes with, really, really nice. So you can do like quarter. You can do like small clothing like that. So you just want to just tap it. You can see how it's doing that. So it's a little bit less light, a little bit more light. And you get total privacy. Or you can just go all the way down, just like that there. Measurements were perfect. Just follow the instructions on the website. Absolutely fantastic. I am charging it up as well, so I'm going to get it fully charged. We'll do some more testing as well on how fast it goes. Not so much the time going up, time and going down, roughly a rough estimate on time. I'll have to give you an update. So subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to do a follow-up video, probably about a month, and give you some more feedback on the how it's working and all the stuff. I did not order the solar panels. I don't have a lot of sun back here. It would be a waste. So, but I wanted to just show you here. So I did plug it in, and again, USB, simple, easy, just got a little power pack here. I'm charging it up just to get it fully charged. The fabric is really nice quality. The header is really, really nice. It was super easy to install. Anybody can do this. Very, very easy. Absolutely love it quite a bit. It does take time. This is a 61-inch window lengthwise, and this is around 77 inches wide, and the other one's almost 100 inches wide. So you can just see here it's going up, no problem. You can see that, really nice, super nice quality. And if you want like 3/4 or halfway, whatever you want, you can see how it's going up, really nice. It's really smooth. The motor is not struggling. Everything is working beautifully. Very, very happy with the quality. Let's just let it go all the way up to the top. It'll sync itself up and stop automatically. Let it do that. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do all types of videos, as you all know. And this is just another awesome one that this company did send me, and I absolutely am very, very pleased. And just like that. And there it goes. Also wanted to show you where you plug in to charge the blind. There's a USB-C port right here. That's where the port is. And this is the button here that you touch to either set up your Zigbee or hook up the Wi-Fi. It'll send the signal out basically. That'll start blinking blue in the background. So that's where you charge it. That's where the button is, just to show you that also so you can see. Also, I want you to know if you lose your remote or you can't access the window or you can't control it, you just press this button once, it'll go up and go down. That button will access the actual shade itself. So you just press it once, shade goes down, press it again, stops it, and press it again, goes back up to your program setting. That's another good thing too as well. You can see here I had them both installed and I actually like them quite a bit. You can see how they look in the sunroom. You can see back and forth and they work beautifully. I can see here's the remote control, super easy to use. You have different channels. So you can see the different channels here. So it has 6 channels, or you can do them all. So say you have 6 blinds. That means if this whole thing is lit up, that means you can do all 6 blinds, or you can just do the ones you have programmed, which I have just 1 and 2. So 1 is over here, and you can just see how it goes up and down. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 is over here. I forget how I hooked them up. Yeah, so 1's over here. Yep, check that again. Let me just double check. Yep. And that's 2. 2's over here. So 2's over here. Let me check that. Yep. So you can see that working. So I'll go all the way up. I already set my upper and lower limits, which is pretty easy. And I'll go over with you in a second. So that's that one. And I'll go back to 1 and we'll set that one to go up. And you can see it's going up. Super easy. And you can see how nice they look. They work beautifully. So a couple different things. I'm going to give you the pros and cons. So pros and cons are, if the programs do come programmed, so what happened was I was trying to hook it up with my Alexa and I realized I need a Zigbee hub. So if you don't have a newer Alexa, just be aware. Alexa, stop. Sorry. If you don't have the newest hub, you have to get a Zigbee. So I ordered a Zigbee, so I'm going to hook that up and see how that works. So I can't use it with the voice right now or an app. I have to have that gateway. And I think all these smart devices similar to this need that type of gateway, like a Zigbee setup. So that's what I'm going to order that. I just ordered it, so I'll get that in a few days. And the remote, I unpaired it by mistake, and it took me a long time to figure it out with the instructions. The instructions could be clearer. This is my feedback. My instructions could be clearer. Very important. And let people know about the, I know what they said on the website. I looked at it more clearly. Just be more clear about the, if people think you can hook it up with Alexa, it's not that simple. You still have to go through a gateway. It doesn't matter if it's Alexa, smart home, home hub, whatever you're doing, you have to have a gateway. So those are 2 important things you need to know. They came fully charged. I did charge them up with my power bank. I had a power bank here, just plugged it right in and charged it right up. That was easy. Remote control is nice. Once I learned how to do the upper and lower limits, it was pretty easy to do. I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. Use the remote control and how to set up the upper and lower limits. Remote control is good. It's a nice remote control. A little confusing a little bit in the beginning. I did have it unpaired by mistake. It took me a little while to figure out how to pair it back to the blind. How to reset the blind, and to reset the blind, you have to hold down the button for like 20 seconds. Just keep holding it down. It'll just keep cycling. That will reset the blind to factory specs. Then you can reprogram and pair up the remote, which is pretty easy to do. There's a P1 and P1 and P2 button under here. Press the P1 button. It's pretty easy to do that. That wasn't too difficult. So to set the upper and lower limits, so what does that mean? So how high you want to go and how low you want to go, because these blinds went lower than I measured, so they give you extra room, which is again great deal, right? So to set the upper and lower limits is simple. So let's say I want to stop it here. I want to stop it here. So what you want to do is that you want to hold the heart button and the upper limit at the same time, the upper button, for 6 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once you do that, just got a confirmation. It's ready to set your limits. So I want to go higher than this. So let's just go a little higher, a little higher, a little higher. So I want it to stop right there every single time it goes up. So I want to confirm that lock. So hold down the up button again and the heart button for like 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. Confirmation. Now that's all set. That's the upper limit. Same thing you do with the lower limits. Put it down where you want it to be, roughly the area. Hit the heart button and the down button. It'll go up and down a few times, whatever. Get it adjusted, then hold it down again, and that's simple as that. So pretty easy for that. That's really easy to do.
I can't use it with the Google Assistant or Alexa at this point because I don't have a Zigbee hub. So just to be aware, when you're buying the one with the Alexa, make sure you have a newer Alexa. Certain ones, it says it in the thing, I didn't realize it, and I didn't realize that. So I have to get a Zigbee hub, and that's like a gateway to communicate with like these types of devices. A lot of that's more like security devices, things like that. So this will use a Zigbee. I'll hook that up. We'll do a quick update with that and show you that as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. Also, I want to give them props. They did send me the wrong set of blinds originally. This is the bad, good and bad. It is what it is. And I let them know, and they got right back to me immediately. So, oh, I'm so sorry, they went to the wrong place. Discard them or keep them. We'll ship you new ones out right away. And they did. Within 4 days, I had brand new ones. So that was great. So that experience was okay. It was a little disappointing in the beginning, but they worked it out, and they took care of it, and that was really important. So that was really good. Remote's okay. Again, needs the work. As far as the instructions need a lot of work, so definitely work on the instructions. They need to be bigger print and clearer. That's my pet peeve with that stuff. So, and that's a lot of stuff is like that, but that's it. But the blind quality is decent. They work well, no issues at all, and they look great. They got that nice covering over it, so it's nice and clean. I'll keep it clear and clean. So this has a cover over it like this. You can see that. That's nice, and they work great. So they fit wonderful, and they snapped in really easy. So super simple. So I definitely like this. There'll be a link down below for this company below the field. So check out that website, and also is also available on Amazon. There's a link for that as well. Do get a small commission. It costs you nothing. It's an affiliate link. I do appreciate that, just to be clear and transparent. So if you go ahead and purchase those, it does help me out. It costs you nothing, and I do appreciate that. So hopefully I brought you some value, I brought you some information. So BlindsMagic is okay. I think about 4.5 stars roughly out of 5 for me because of the situation with the instructions and the remote, and also got the wrong blinds the first time. So listen, you got to be accountable somewhere, and that's just how it goes. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Don't forget to hit that button, smash the like button, and all that kind of cool stuff. And I'll see you at the next review. And not bad, honestly. They work really well, and they seem like a decent build. And that's kind of like the bottom line. All right, guys, take it easy and have a great day.